Hi everyone, my name is Duncan Rae and I'm the graduate assistant of the honors program here at SNU. As an alumni of the program, the honors program myself, I am really proud to see where this program is going and all the bright young students that are taking it to those new heights. I'm from Limeboro, New Hampshire, which is a rather small town. My graduating elementary school class was 12. And my graduating class from high school was 50, but that was only because it was a combination of Fulton and Limeboro. I played sports all throughout high school. When I graduated high school, I thought that I wanted to go into sports management as a major, but after graduating and doing about one semester here at SNU, I decided that that wasn't for me and started pursuing accounting. And then put all my efforts into that. Currently, I'm finishing up my last 3 classes here at SNU for my Master's in Professional Accountancy, which is really exciting. So far, over the summer, I've been playing some basketball, some tennis, studying, working, and playing some Call of Duty. Enough about me, though. My main purpose for making this video is to provide you with how to download Word onto your computer, how to get to your SNHU email, and how to attach a file to an email. I hope that you find this helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you. So, I think you guys should be able to see this screen. So on this screen is the Microsoft website, and I actually have a link to get directly to where I am right now, but it should be pretty easy to get to. So you'll scroll down and it says enter your school email address. So what you'll do is in the box you'll enter your school email address. So I'm Duncan Rae at snhu.edu, and then when you click get started, we'll should pop up another screen eventually here. Apologize for the delay. My internet is a little bit slow as I live, like I said, kind of in the middle of nowhere. Come on. Okay. So then you'll do, I'm a student. And then you'll do sign in. Now, it should have allowed you to sign in, but since I've already done this process, it doesn't give you an option. But once you sign in, I believe it should take you to a page looking something like Microsoft Office homepage, which we'll see once my computer loads. So under here, there's lots of good options for you to download. Obviously, Outlook, which is your email, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Sway. I've never heard of Sway, but lots of good apps to download here. And it lets me. It should allow you to download these apps. I'm not sure why I think that it's not going to let me because I've already downloaded them. You can go into all apps and you should be able to download any apps that you might want, such as Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, etc. And with that, that should kind of conclude what you're looking for downloading Microsoft Word. It's just a little bit easier and commonly used, so that when people on the receiving end get it, they can easily access it, as opposed to trying to convert it to Microsoft Word from like Pages, which is on Apple, or something like Notes, which is on a Microsoft computer, or anything else. With that, I'll go over to how to get into your SNU email. So mine already populates the line that I want, but it's going to be under mysnhu.edu. So I'm going to press enter, and we're going to wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you should see something like this. Obviously, my information's already populated in here, but if you already have a login to it, then you type that in. And once you do that, you press submit. And this should bring you to the main dashboard on mysnhu.edu. So this is where you'll see that you have access to your grades, your financial aid, all the offices that are on campus, a message from your advisor, which will pop up in the middle, news, which is on my SNHU. So as it loads here, message from my advisor, lots of cool things under here. So like a class of 2020 yard signs, and then all sorts of applications over here. So under applications, you'll want to select SNHU webmail. And SNHU webmail should bring us right to your Outlook. We're lucky here, which it does. And under here, we will see so under here, you'll see a new message option, which is what you want to click on. I already clicked on that because my computer was loading a little slow. And then you'll type in who you want to send it to. For example, we'll send it to myself. And just for the heck of it, so that you can see the honors email, that's going to be honors@snhu.edu. And once you populate that, when I write emails, I typically like to say what I'm sending or what the email's in reference to. So we'll say honors program and eventually it's up there. Filter. You will find a test purposes of this, just so that they know what you're sending them rather than just getting an email with a document attached and you're like, what is this for? Is this the launch code for a missile? No, no. Jokes aside, so you can attach a document by either going down here where my cursor is highlighted. And then once there, it should give you the option to either attach from a recent file that you have, or you should be able to attach from your computer once this loads here. Okay, so you can do either browse cloud locations or browse this computer. I generally do browse this computer. And then underneath here, you should be able to go ahead and select a Word document that you have. So for the instances of this, we'll go under one of the classes that I have for this semester, controllership, and then memo on AI. And then when you click open, it should attach to this email. The attachments will generally show up right between the subject and the body of the writing. Taking a second here. There it is. And at this point, you'd want to send it, but I'll also show you how to attach it from up here. So, same basic principle should apply. You should be able to browse this computer. And click on that, and it should bring me right about where I was before. Once I get there, you can click another assignment that I've done, attach, and now it's attached. And the nice thing is about Outlook is that if you use the word attach or attached or some variation of it, and you don't have any attachments, like I'll show you here, then it'll actually yell at you and ask you why if you mean to send it without an attachment. So hopefully it'll demonstrate that here. We're lucky. The other thing to note while we wait for it to load is that when you're attaching a document, it didn't give me the option because I had it set to not do this, but you want to attach it as an attachment rather than share it as a OneDrive, because it's a lot easier for people to just open and view it rather than trying to go through the process of going into it, downloading it, and then uploading it somewhere. So like I said, it says attachment reminder. You may have forgotten to attach a file. I always have this notification turned on because you don't know how many times I've almost sent something and gone, oh yeah, I forgot to attach that. Thank you, Microsoft Office, Outlook rather. So yeah, that's the basics of how to do that. I think I covered all that I wanted to cover. Yeah, so if you do have any questions, definitely feel free to reach out. But I hope you have a great rest of your day and a happy Memorial Day weekend if you get this by then.